Ass B.
Ali, where are we? Alright. Scissors, where are we?
The library.
At Levy Library in USC, y'all. We're in class.
Ow. Can you test me? I said friend, so I turn around.
Water.
I want to see a magic trick. Ready? Alright, I'm gonna give this a little bit of a turn. I'm gonna go. How'd you do that?
So there's this dude sitting across from me, and he has his feet under my desk.
We're out of the library. We're going back.
All the buses are gone. We're the only ones here.
My dad's home, and he said that he got something. His car broke down, so I'm assuming that the only thing that he could have gotten is a brand new car. What is it?
It's a Nissan Frontier,
It's a Nissan Frontier. What year is it?
2013.
Oh. Wow.
Gotta wash it.
Whoa. Alright, so in my first vlog, my friends were here, and Maurice, he left his board here, and he's coming to pick it up 2 weeks later. Maurice just texted me saying that he's on his way, and I see his board right there. Oh, Maurice, dumbass. Who let you in?
Dad.
Nobody let him in.
I said, hi, Nathan. Dad was like, is Nathan inside? He's like, yeah. I was like, yeah.
That's scary. How long has it been since you were last here?
2 or 3 weeks.
And he just now picked up his board.
And,
Oh my god. On Friday it was my 16th birthday. It was also my cousin's birthday on Saturday. She's born the 10th, I was born the 9th. So we're gonna celebrate hers because she goes to college. She goes to UC Davis and she's never home. So, you know, and today it's Sunday, we're gonna go to my aunt's house and we're gonna you know, have like a little celebration, I guess. Alright, so it's time for me to go. I'm going to my aunt's house to celebrate my cousin's birthday. My father. We're going to my aunt's house and my dad's brand new car.
So I doubt you guys can see me right now, but I'm at my aunt's house and I'm in my little cousin's bed because I'm too damn tired to be socializing with everybody.
Alright, so we're leaving my aunt's house early because we're on our way home. And we're gonna help my mom decorate our tree. Finally, we've had it for like 3 days. We're at Home Depot now because my mom needs Christmas lights and we don't have any. We went to Home Depot, but we didn't find the
All the
lights.
lights.
Well, we found lights that we wanted, but we didn't find as many. Mama, you decorated it without us. decorating our tree, and I think that's gonna be it for the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. Please subscribe to get me going. Other than that, I'll see you guys here next time. Peace out, everybody.